but I know that the work starts now. I also know that the work is about it. And I hope and pray that everybody comes on board to be able to move Ayawaso West forward.
This victory, I believe, will put a little bit of pressure on you because of the number of trust and the vote you've gotten. That means the expectations go high. What should they look out for from your campaign?
Well, of course, the margin was high. I mean, for me, I wasn't expecting but that should let us know that the people are really believing they wanted change. And I'll make sure that I'll use that change to make Ayawaso West a better place. I'm not going to say it's going to be a lot of pressure on me. All I'm going to say is that the change that has happened is positive change, and we just look forward to working effectively.
An actor to member of parliament, what will you say about this?
I mean, being an actor and being a farmer or being an actor is just like any other profession. It's like being a lawyer, being a doctor, being a pharmacist or anything. And so for me, it's just overwhelming, and it's just great to know that the people are believing in me.
What do you make of the decisive victory by the NDC nationwide?
Well, it should tell you that Ghanaians wanted change all over the country. But it should also let us know that when you don't work well, or when you become complacent, when you become arrogant, the people will change you. And so let us not think as NDC that, oh, we are now in power and so you can misbehave. No, when you misbehave, the people change you. So it is instructive for us to know that, and it's a good lesson for everybody who is now coming into government to understand the fact that if you play the field, the people will change you. Yes, it's not about money. It's about the development that the people want. It's about listening to the concerns of the people. That is what they want. And for us, we just want to assure Ghanaians that the next 4 years, we are going to do our possible best to change Ghana and move it in the right direction. Thank you. That's my deputy MP.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
What should we expect from you, deputy MP?
It's obvious. Let's put the friendship aside. You know, John is like a brother to me, and wherever it is, as long as it's on the right course, I'm definitely going to throw my weight behind it. I have no reason whatsoever or any ill intention against my brother or ever had. It's just plain and simple. Change has come, and it's time to right the wrongs that were being made by the previous government.
I'm sure you have plans for the movie industry.
Exactly. I mean, we are all actors, no? Maybe now he's a bit slouched, but he's got a new movie that has been released on Netflix. That shows that he's still actively involved in the industry, and we're going to do whatever it takes. It's a matter of carrying everybody along. We don't carry some and then leave some. So whatever it is that we can do in our willpower and to support John as well, to have an effective term of office, we're definitely going to do that.
Thank you. We like the enthusiasm, right? There are a lot of in the media. We thank you so much. A lot of you here. Please hold on. A lot of you here, we may not know by name, but you have pushed this agenda since its inception. And we want to say a very big thank you. How are you? So wait. With standing and clapping, let us welcome the next MP from Ayawaso West Wuogon, Setor Dumelo. So when we were campaigning, what we normally say to ourselves between me and John is that the victory that we are going to enjoy, or the victory is going to be big. The gap is going to be big, such a way that Lydia Lanza will not have the edge to say she will be seeking comeback. And the result that you will be seeing now is a result that Lydia will never seek re-election again in Ayawaso. We have retired her permanently.
Thank you.
And John Setor Dumelo is taking over Ayawaso. We can guarantee all of you that our young man is up to the task and is going ready to work. He is going to deliver. For you. So from today, be rest assured. And you know, they say every successful man behind every successful man, there is a beautiful woman. There is a beautiful woman. I will take the opportunity to introduce the first and foremost Sadabo. The first and foremost Sadabo of John Setor Dumelo. And the name is Mrs. Dumelo. Please let me know. Madam, you are welcome. And we declare you. The first lady of Ayawaso West Wuogon. In fact, those of you who were here with us this morning, thank you for the correction. Those of you who are here with us since yesterday, I would like to tell you that Dr. Bawumia has considered that he has lost. So John Dramani Mahama is our next president-elect. So, gentlemen and ladies, the anticipation of Ghanaians has been met. And we should rest assured that Ghana is going to move in the right direction. I told you, my grandma called me and said, I've checked my BP, and my BP is normal. Because MPP were getting Ghanaians headaches. People who have not experienced BP before, they all enjoy BP under Nana Akuffo Addo. And I know you have also been relieved of one aid or the other under this government. So NDC and John Dramani Mahama on 7 January 2025 will be taking over the mantle of leadership once again. And I believe the partnership we call John and John is going to work effectively to shape Ghana Ayawaso West Wuogon. So John Setor Dumelo, we are grateful for you, especially presenting yourself to redeem Ayawaso from the wilderness for the past 24 years. And I believe the constituents of Ayawaso are going to enjoy the best leadership of our brother friend John Setor Dumelo. John Dumelo's wife will be our next president. Yes. John Dumelo's wife can be our next president of the republic. Because as we speak now, that glass that separates the men from the women when it comes to the responsibilities at the Flagstaff House has been broken by Professor Nana James Akuffo Addo. So all of us should be rest assured. We are going to have a mother for all and a father for all. Yes, we need to have a mother for all and a mother for all. These two men have the best brain and the best experience to shape our development, to make us prosperous, to make sure that accountability becomes bedrock of our democracy, as well as prosperity for our children yet to be born. So, gentlemen and ladies,
We've all been waiting for it here. At this moment, by the power vested in me, I hereby declare